Hello to everyone. How are you? This is Joanna, and today I want to share with you a couple of things that I got. I got a couple of new cards that came today. I got the gray. I have pink and blue and turquoise, and I have a big black one under the kitchen counter. And I actually prefer the blue. If I could have had it in all the colors that I wanted, I would have had them all in blue, but all they have left is white and silver. So I got two silver ones. They are here, and I don't know yet. I know that I want to try to make room with all this stuff that I have boxed up here. What I cannot find right now is y'all know those Girl Scout body washes. I put those up somewhere. This space is the smallest space I've ever been in because y'all know it's that one bedroom apartment, but I can't find anything. So what I want to do is take like those bigger bottles and load them in the bottom. I plan on putting one of those carts here. When I get these boxes up, I'm going to vacuum. I had a laundry basket here with just stuff in there, odds and ends that I planned on taking to the Goodwill and all of that. So I got that up. I think something's wrong with my little shark back though. I can't get the solution out, but I got it up a little bit to clean that area. One of the carts will go here. If the two fit side by side, maybe, but you see I got those cable cords. This is a TV, and this right here is where I have a lot of candles at. I have tons of candles. We know that I do, and I've been trying to burn through a lot of them. So I'm going to share with you what I actually got from the store and from Pandora, and my little nursing bags came in. So right here is just some of the little Chinette hot cold cups that y'all know that I like. I prefer the little cuter ones though from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I haven't been in there recently, or I would have picked up some of the little Valentine Day ones, but I plan on going back to look. These were the best looking ones of the ones at the grocery store. They're not great, but they're good for when I make coffee and I want to take it out of the house for when my cab comes, or I just want to take coffee on the go, and I haven't had any for a while. Then, of course, I got Bounty, and y'all know ever since the pandemic, you can't seem to get Bounty or Viva with Prince anymore. I had seen Bounty with Prince more than Viva, but I was out at Meijer, and I got this one right here. So right now, beggars can't be choosy. I just needed paper towels. Then I stopped in at Pandora yesterday, and I got this little charm here. This is like just $35. It's a little love charm. I'm contemplating on if I want another one. I have seen people take these and put it between their Moreno beads and other things, and I just like it. So it's inexpensive. It's 35, and most Pandora stuff is super expensive. I might get a second one of these. And then my little nurse bags came in. This one here is the first one, and this is the one I got my stethoscope in, but I think I'm going to change everything out. I don't have anything in there but the stethoscope, but I'm going to put everything in that navy blue bag because I get a few more things, and it gave you a little bag right there. So my goal is to only put things in there that I need. I plan on getting some pouches to compartmentalize. I plan on having my phone charger in there as well as one in my purse and possibly my locker. I have a total of maybe 3 or 4 now. I know that I have 3 that actually work because I don't have that expensive plug that goes to my S24 Ultra. I don't. And I might not get that unless I find one that's less than 50. But this one is the turquoise one. It was called Lake Blue in the navy blue. And I thought I got black. I might just keep just these two because I'm thinking what I want to do is all the things that I pack around, my hand cream, and y'all know that I have those Starbucks keychains. I plan on putting one of those on each of these. I have the lotion, the hand cream clips for my hand creams. I plan on putting one of those on each of these. And one of these will get a gel hand sanitizer with the pocket bag holder. And the other one I might do my spray, because I have one of those spray holders. So we will see how I end up decorating them up. And we'll see what all can go in there. But I do plan on having a little pouch with the basics. I usually have like an eyeliner, mascara, brow pencil, a lip gloss, or a lip treatment. And like a little brown eyeshadow. That's something I try to keep. A little face wash. I love the Purity face wipes, so I might do that in addition to my over-the-counter medicine that I carry. As far as work, I need like my own scissors, my blood pressure cuff, my stethoscope, and I need a large blood pressure cup. So I think these bags will be sufficient because y'all know me. The bigger the bag, the more I carry. I'm trying to just carry my work essentials with a little bit of room for a lunch container and a drink. You know what I'm saying? So we will see. Amika sent me this because mine broke. I had sent them a message asking them if they could possibly consider putting this in plastic. Y'all know this is at $32 overnight hair mask. Guys, I love this. I didn't realize I had bought it 6 months back. I knew that I had bought it a few months ago, and y'all heard my accident in the bathroom. Like, it fell off the counter, bounced up, hit the side of the toilet, and broke. And they asked me to send them a photo as proof. Luckily, I took one, but guys, it was kind of gross. It was kind of gross, and I apologize to them for that. But they sent me another one, and that was so nice of them. They didn't even have to do that. They asked me to send proof of purchase and a picture, which I did. I bought this from Sephora, and I didn't realize, oh guys, I had bought it 6 months ago. I knew it had been a few months back. I thought maybe 4, but it was so sweet of them to replace this for me because, guys, I'm telling you, I love this stuff. But I do wish it was in plastic because where I live at now and where I've lived at before, it's not as modern as maybe where some of you guys live. Like, you know, most of the countertops and things today in bathrooms are flat. You've got that room to put shelves, not just shelves, but you know, the little trays for your little toiletries and things like that. Well, where I live at, guys, it's that old fashioned, ridgy, uneven. If it falls in the sink, it's doomed type of thing. So when I move, I plan on looking into a lot of things like counter space that I like that I'm missing. Those nice bathrooms where everything is flat and the surfaces are smooth because I'm not going to stay here. Y'all know I moved in here because of the situations that we had going on then. So the last thing that I have here is this cute little phone case came. And I didn't know it would be separated. This seller was out of town when I ordered, but it's a cute little blue. To me, it's like an old-fashioned antique blue. And this one, I think, has the holes. I thought that it had a cover for the camera, but it doesn't. It's whole, so it's open, which is okay because I have those rings on my cameras. And the little cute astronaut thing here is separate. So I'm guessing I stick it where I want to stick it at on the phone, and it opens up so you can prop it up. I don't think, though, that it turns. You know, like the one that's on my OtterBox and some of the little rings, you can turn it whichever way you want it. I'm thinking that wherever I put this at, it has to stay. So I'd probably better decide which direction I want it in. I might just put it in this direction because I have no plans on propping that phone up. And when I do want to prop it up on its side to watch something, I keep it in its OtterBox. These are cute little cases for me to change my phone into. And I think that's it. I'm going to try to see if I can find some of those bigger body washes. And I'm going to load some of this stuff onto this cart. And I'll probably share some of that with you. So we will see how it goes. So hello again. I think for this one I'm going to try these bigger body washes. Now my Jergens lotion was too tall, so I'll put that in the top. At first I contemplated putting all body washes here, but I'm going to have this here by the door. So I don't know yet if I'll put fragrance in there because it's going to be in this area here. So we're going to see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and scoot this over here because I'm thinking maybe I can get both of these carts here. We're going to see. But you know what, guys? I will say this. I don't want this landlord to think I'm a little hoarder because I'm not. But this space was already little. And then the fact that I keep adding to it, you know. I've also got to make sure that I keep this area kind of clear where I can get back there. And so we're going to see what this does. I do have to open up the door to make sure I got room, and I don't want anything here that the sunlight will be hitting directly. And these are going to be the last 2 carts that I'll order, y'all, because like I said, I have soap and candles in that closet. Maybe 3 of these would fit in that closet, but I can't just keep getting carts. And so what I'm doing here is just opening up this door. Y'all see? Making sure that there's enough room and nothing hits anything. Nothing be worse than that. So what I'm going to do, as I said, I'm going to try to line up some of these large bottles because this is not stuff that I'm going to be getting to just yet. It's not stuff that I'm saving, but I need to put stuff here that I'm just trying to make room for, but that I will be getting to later. So I've already got my vanilla lotion opened up. I'm not too worried about the coconut. We're just going to see how I can get this arranged with all these big bottles, because I have a ton of stuff. I don't want everything opened at once, but I do want to use my stuff. And you hear a lot of people say they just get rid of stuff. If I have something that I just never touch, I will part with it. But mostly it depends on who it's going to. Y'all know how y'all won't part with nothing, but if you got a family member you love, or you're like my daughter. My daughter gets a lot of the things that I swear that I wouldn't part with, but I will part with them for her. So we're going to see how this goes. And chances are, guys, these body washes, besides the Sugar Cookie one, Trefoil's one, is probably going to go to her if she ever sees this. So we're going to see how I do. I'm just going to start loading some stuff in. I'll share a little bit with you, and then I'll cut off from here. So to share a little bit about what I think I'm putting here, we got one of these pumpkin washes. I got my Dove oil wash, the new blueberry one, my lavender, and my irritation care. And we're going to put this one here because I've already got one in the bathroom, so I won't be trying to use this one just yet. And then I think I'm going to line up these body washes here. That's the native, probably the vanilla one. And I'm going to go in my room too and get them little shorter ones because I have some shorter ones. So that one is the vanilla one. Here is that one, because these, they line up pretty nice. And I don't know, I have a big blue one somewhere, but that one's going to stay where it is because I plan on using that one. It's like the linen one. So let me go in there on my dresser and pick up the other three. They might be smaller than this because y'all know they changed the sizes of these. So I have here this Dove bark, just enough room to put that in there. I have here this cherry vanilla almond, so if I decide to use that, I can reach that. And here I have the oat milk latte. And then here I have the matcha sweet cream. Now, this Jergens lotion right here is too big. Yeah, I'll have to put this one on top. But if these fit, I will line these up in there. So we will see what will go here. So that fits nicely. And that fits nicely. So if you can see that, that's where we're going there. The vanilla one I have in use. This one is my Milk and Honey Dr. Teal's. So that fits nicely. I'll try these products as some fillers for this space. So that is the unfragranced one. I already have an unfragranced lotion open. That's my Neutrogena Boost. I haven't used that yet. This right here is that little wash from TJ Maxx. And we have this coconut lotion. And I might see one other item I can use there as a filler. I think I have a Method deodorant and wash that might go there. I have a pink one, but the green one has a deodorant to it. I'm going to see if I can find both of those. I think there might be room for both of those, and then this shelf will be complete. So I've added that in there. And then I've also added my oil of Olay on the side there, if you can see that. And then we're going to start with this Dove Melanin Tone. I want to put this up front because I want this one. I want to use it eventually, and I know that I want a the light blue version. So I'm going to see what else I'm going to put down here. I think I'm going to move that up to the top. And I'm going to start loading this middle section with all of my new Victoria's Secret that we know I have tons of. So yeah, I think I'm going to set this along the top. Anything along the top I'm going to plan on using. So again, like I said, I got that in there. I got the vanilla in there. I'm going to move that Dove because I plan on getting the light blue one. I'm going to move it to the top. We're going to load in my Victoria's Secret, all of my new stuff, as much as I can get in there. When I share with you guys that I am winded, do believe it. This kind of stuff don't seem like a lot, but it can take a toll. So I'm going to see How much of this I can get in there, I will be pulling from this shelf because y'all know I love a lot of what you see before you. I'm loving that new green one right there, the Sol de Janeiro. I still want to go out to the store. I keep wondering if the smaller one will smell better than the big one. I know that's preposterous, but you know, you think like that sometimes. I want to find something to do with that. And I want to put this up there. Right now, my phone is there. My phone is done charging. So like I said, this is the case on here. Y'all already know if I want to do something sideways, I'll do it that way. And so we're going to see how much of this stuff I can get on that shelf. And again, like I said, I like all of this. So we're going to see. And I have more Victoria's Secret coming, I'm ashamed to say, because my daughter's birthday was the 25th, and I ordered that Sol when they had another sale for her, the Love Spell one. And I didn't get to smell the Velvet Petals one because they didn't have the mist open or the lotion. They didn't have the mist, and then they didn't have the lotion open, so I didn't want to open it. So we're going to see. But I think, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff down here. And maybe, yeah, I have enough room to set that dove there, but I do want to get the light blue one, and I plan on using it immediately. So here we go. We're going to start trying to load some of this in here. See how we do. So that's how that's looking so far. So that's what that one's looking like. I would have put the vanilla cocoa lotion on here with its scrub, but I can't find it, and I want to make sure I keep everything paired. So we'll see what I'm going to do with the top. I kind of, though, too, want to lay some soaps in there because I have a lot of bar soaps, but we will see. I added that Sugar High because I don't have a mist to that one. I think I managed to find the other 3 lotions, and I only have a mist to one. I might have a mist to another one, but I'm not sure. But I do have a few lone Victoria's Secret lotions, the cherry, the vanilla, and this one. Okay, scratch that. We're going to take this out because I forgot. Hopefully you're still with me. I forgot that I have a couple more Victoria's Secret lotions. And then I'll cut this off because I don't know what I did. But we have this one. And this one. And then maybe I can squeeze in this one. And so as you can see, that's about what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off so it's not a long video. It's already 18 minutes, but just to give you a little gist of what I'm doing, I thought I'd share it. So until the next time, everyone have a fantastic day.